Looking to upgrade your Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon stereo? The Double DIN Dash Kit, designed specifically for 2015 and newer models, offers a seamless way to install your new stereo. Painted in a stylish gunmetal gray, it blends perfectly with your vehicle's interior for a clean, factory look. This dash kit isn't just about looks. It's crafted from high-grade ABS plastic, ensuring durability and a secure fit that won't loosen over time. Designed with both the user and installer in mind, it simplifies the installation process while maintaining a professional finish that matches your truck's original dash texture. Tested in real-world conditions, this kit guarantees reliable function. It holds your stereo firmly in place, preventing rattles or shifting even on rough roads. That means your new Pioneer DDIN stereo will stay put and perform flawlessly every time you hit the road. Customers across the United States have praised this product for its perfect fit and quality. One user shared how their Pioneer DDIN stereo fit perfectly in their 2016 Colorado, highlighting the superior quality and improved appearance compared to the stock dash kit. Quick shipping and damage-free delivery add to the positive experience. If you're serious about upgrading your vehicle's sound system, this Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. It offers what you want: a precise fit, durable materials, and a sleek design that enhances your truck's interior without any guesswork or modifications. Installing a new stereo should be straightforward and reliable. With this dash kit, you get exactly that: no surprises, no extra hassle. It's a simple, secure solution that lets you enjoy your upgraded audio system with confidence. Ready to improve your driving experience with a clean, professional stereo installation? This Double DIN Dash Kit for Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon models 2015 and up delivers on fit, finish, and function. Try it when you're ready to make your upgrade smooth and hassle-free.